Hello, welcome to my channel Preschool Made Easy. In this video, I am showing you making a real size umbrella, that too from papers. For this, take a full white ivory sheet, draw lines measuring 1 scale on the whole sheet. Then cut these with scissors and you will get the strips. To make the base of umbrella, join 2 strips together with the help of glue. To make it strong, I am using stapler also. You have to stick on both sides and you will get a ring. Join all the strips around the ring with stapler. This umbrella can be used for any play as a prop in the play, or you can use to decorate your class for the rainy season. In the exhibition also, you can arrange some things with this umbrella. Now staple 2 strips around this base. This will give this base the strength. The base to prepare umbrella is ready. This will look like this. Now take 20 by 10 centimeter paper. You can take colors of your choice. I am making it colorful. Fold this paper half and cut petal like shape. This will look like this. Cut this shape from other colors. Apply glue and paste this shape on the base. Paste all the papers likewise, and this will look like this. Now to cover the top, take piece of paper around 12 by 15 centimeter, fold it like me and cut just like the way I'm doing. This will become a flower. Take color of your choice and paste it on the top of umbrella. Now to decorate umbrella, we can make frills. For this, take paper around 6 by 56 centimeter, fold and cut zigzag lines. And you will get these zigzag strips. Now paste it on the umbrella. To make the stick of umbrella, roll the paper. Make cuts on one side. Fold this backward. Apply glue and paste it under the umbrella, and this will stand like this. You can use golden tape to decorate. And umbrella is ready. You can use silicone glue or any super glue to fix the stick. If you find any difficulty in pasting these shapes on the base, then cut slits on both sides. Apply a little glue and paste the slits. Now this will easily stick on the base. This umbrella looks very pretty. You can use your creativity to decorate this. You can also involve kids to decorate this. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me in the comment box. Pleasure will all be mine to help you out. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.